Sore throats can go away on their own without treatment. However, if a person is suffering with one, they want relief. You could take over-the-counter medications. But if you're wanting a more natural approach, you may turn to essential oils. Essential oils are made up of the leaves, flowers, or roots of specific plants. Through a method called distillation, essential oils are extracted as a very concentrated part of the plant. They contain several of the plant's original medicinal properties. Essential oils have been a practice of medicine to treat many different ailments for years. There are several essential oils that could be helpful in treating a sore throat. But peppermint oil has shown to possess antimicrobial properties against pathogens that enter the body through the mouth. Peppermint is among the most common essential oil for treating a sore throat. Recent studies have shown that the oil may help ward off bacteria. Peppermint additionally contains menthol, the main ingredient in many of the over-the-counter sore throat medications, like lozenges. The one that provides that cooling effect. How to use peppermint essential oil for a sore throat. Peppermint aromatherapy. You can use a diffuser to spread the aroma to permeate the room. Or if you prefer, put a few drops of the oil on a cotton ball and inhale the scent. Add a few drops to your load of wash or a DIY cleaning spray. My grandfather used to boil a kettle of water and put a towel over his head to inhale the steam. Add about 7 drops of oil per 2 cups of water. Be careful not to get burned. Please leave a thumbs up to help our channel.